And as our nation passes 5 million confirmed cases of COVID-19, there's startling new predictions this morning. University of Washington data shows that by December 1st, we could face about 295,000 deaths. That would be more Americans killed than the lives lost in World War II. Here at home, more than 4,800 new cases popped up, along with 116 deaths. One of them was a 94-year-old woman in McLennan County. She's now the 64th death in the county so far. Governor Abbott has since extended the statewide disaster declaration to help slow the spread of COVID-19. We also want to update you on hospitalization numbers. For the past 2 weeks, we can officially say we are seeing that downward trend. As you can see here, the past couple of days have been promising. There are currently 7,437 people in the hospital right now. Now, the last time we had a number that low was actually July 3rd. And get this, our peak was July 22nd with over 10,000 people in the hospital. So this month, you can already see we're going downward. It is promising, and we have 11,700 beds available. 440 of those are available locally in Bell and McLennan County.